Now that you've selected a topic that you want to create content on, this is the very next screen that you're going to see after you've scheduled it. It all begins here, and this is really the power and magic of where Syllabi begins. And so we support multiple languages here out of the gate. For the sake of this, I'm just going to demonstrate English, but you can select any language that you want here. And all you need to do is click on Generate Outline. We really have made this as simple as possible. So all you need to do is that first step of finding a content idea, and AI really will do the rest. And so it takes a couple of seconds to load there. And what we've done here is it's automatically generated an outline. And this is going to be the outline before the video script is actually generated. Now you have full custom control here if you want to edit any of this out, if you don't like the intro, if you want to change any of these things out, if you want to add things to it, you have full control over that. You can also control the style of the video as well. If we want to do an explainer video, you can choose the tonality of how that script is going to read. If we want to be more instructional, say, and we can choose the length of the video script as well. So if we want to focus on short form content like a TikTok or YouTube Shorts, we could do 30 to 45 seconds. Or if we want to do a longer YouTube video, we can select the longer 5 minutes. And when you've selected all of these things, all you need to do from there is click on Generate Script. And now this will again take a couple seconds to actually process, but it's taking that outline, the style, and the tone and the length, and creating a video script for you that caters to all of those parameters that you've set. Now we have our script here as well that's generated, and I would suggest going through this and customizing it to your liking. The reality is that this is a very powerful tool, but it's not going to take the place of you as the expert that you are. So I would read through the script to make sure that it fits your voice of your brand and your expertise. Feel free to add anything as you want. It will automatically save, so don't worry about any save button or anything like that. As you type it, it'll automatically save. Now from here, this is where it gets really crazy as well, because sometimes you just might not like being on camera. And so what we can do is select any of these digital avatars that we have built in here. You can choose anyone that fits the likeness if you want. So let's go with Rianne here. And we can choose the different voices as well. You can sample them just by clicking on the little plus icon. And if we like that, it's auto-selected there. We just need to click choose. And we can choose the different background colors that we like as well for this to generate. And now all you need to do from here is click on generate. This will now take about 5 minutes to actually generate that video, but it will send you an email notification when it's actually generated, and you will see a notification in the app as well that your video has been completed. After your video has been generated here, you have full control to preview that video here. You can play it and sample it to make sure it's to your liking. You can regenerate it if you'd like. However, a word of caution, if you do regenerate, it will use additional credits. From here, you have the ability to download that video immediately, copy the link so you can send the link to that video to anybody that you'd like. You can open up our video editor, which I'll do a tutorial for you on the actual editing page, or you can now publish it directly to your social media.